Hey guys, today we're back with another video, and this is another GoPro update. I would have got it Thursday, but the package did not ship today because the credit cards and all that, we had to swap them and all that. So, if I just go to Amazon, then go to orders, because I'm not going to my daggone email to do it, because I don't want you guys knowing my biz. If you go to orders, you can see it. I got the head strap for the GoPro. When is that coming? Friday, 9 p.m., 9 p.m., 9 p.m. Oh crap, that's late. Then it will come at 9 o'clock in the night. Oh, that's late. Cause I remember that this came at 8. This came at 8 o'clock. This came early. This came at like 8 a.m. 8 p.m. We have a lot of stuff. There's more stuff. It just we can't see it. But we got more orders. We have a lot that we ordered. I even ordered a racer dirt bike. It's at the bottom. That's what I'm gonna be doing my videos on. I'll attach a GoPro to my helmet. I already got that. I'll attach that GoPro to my helmet. So then I got a head strap, so that's what I'm gonna attach it to. After I attach it to that, or if it doesn't attach, I can just use some adhesive. Will that work? Yeah, I could just use some adhesive if that doesn't work. But it looked like it can fit it. Hold up. Can it fit it? Yeah, it's pretty similar to the GoPro. Look how small it is. That thing's 4K, bro. That thing's good. Look at that. That's dumb for real, and that's dumb. Yeah. So I have Phil the Thrill shoots with this, so, and then he shoots with the Tecker. But I don't know why this is two different things, but then this is completely separate with that. I don't know why, but it is. It was on basics, head strap, camper mount. Look at that. It's for the GoPro Hero, but I think it also works with this. Or if not, it already came with the mounting piece, so I'll just mount that on. And it came with a selfie stick, so then I'll just remove this part and put the selfie stick between these two pieces over there, and then I'll put it between that, and I'll tape it, and then I can just have that there. Oh, also guys, I forgot to tell you guys. In my game, guess what car I have. Guess guys, guess what car I have. Guess what car I have. Guess what car I have. Oh, this is the house ball, by the way. 3, 2, 1. That's right. I got myself a Ferrari. A Ferrari, like the royalty family Ferrari. You know, Ferrari, Ferrari, Ferrari. I got myself a Ferrari. I don't know why I was turning the wheel like that, but I think it's still connected to my stick, because every time I move it this way, move that way, every time I move this way, yo, it's still connected. Sorry about the noise. Okay, sorry. My baby sister's sleeping, my mom just giving me a warning. Sorry about that, but look how fast this thing goes. This thing goes fast. Well, almost spun out there. I've been working on trying to be a good driver for the last couple of days. It definitely works. Just by like 2 days or 1 day, I've already earned 38 mil. It says this cost just for the mile AFK. That thing's going AFK. We got the Huracan. We got the. It looks like a Aventador. We got the Aventador. Oh, my bad. Oh my bad. Oh my bad. We look like we got the McLaren. I don't know why this is happening, but the computer keeps freezing. I don't know why. What's up with that? Okay, it stopped. Okay, I don't know what was up with that. I hope he adds a really cool effect. When you hit the throttle, like the tire marks lit up, and then you drift everywhere, and then you start speeding. Hopefully that happens. Whoa, 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 bro. What do you think you're doing? We got a Huracan. We got a Aventador. No, we got a Centenario. In my opinion, just in my opinion, I think the Avengers is better. But I mean, than the Centenarial. But the Centenarial costs more. Cause it's 2017. I mean, not 2017, but good enough. Okay, just checking my time limit, what I have. Real fast, just checking my time limit. 5:23. Okay, this thing goes fast. And I'm not kidding, this thing goes really, really fast. Sorry, I was just grabbing the chips. This thing goes really, really fast. Oh my god. This thing goes 209. Mine only goes 206 when I'm in the game battle. That's at least a few more bucks. I mean, a few more hundreds just for the 2 more miles on there. So I guess that's good of some sort. And this thing likes to drift out of control all the time. This thing just likes to drift out of control. Like watch this, when I hit the pedal, when I end up getting on the highway, this thing drifts out. Like when I hit a tree too. And every time when I have to shift gears, I have to let go of the keyboard because that's the way you're supposed to shift gears. Man, I wish they had a manual mode in this game. That would be sick. Like press E or press V for manual. That would be sick. Look guys, I'm gonna do a drift. Oh, I messed up. I hit the drift at the wrong moment. Man, I wish you could upgrade your car in this game, but you can't. The only thing that you can do in this game is basically buy the cars and change the color and change the wheel axle and change the rims. That's the only upgrades you can do. You can't install a hydro e-brake. You can't do nothing like in Vehicle Simulator. So that's the one thing that they're still working on. I mean, the game is still in alpha. Yes, let's go. The game is still in alpha, but I believe the game can do better because first of all, don't get me wrong, the trees look disgusting. You can't even knock them down. When you hit them, your car gets stuck. It's not like Vehicle Simulator. If this is a Vehicle Simulator, why can't it be like Vehicle Simulator? Answer 1. It's not. Okay, I think I'll say that. This game doesn't even have McDonald's. This game only got KFC, but I think McDonald's will come soon because I see the little slot numbers for different stores. Like you can have a clothing store, you can have a car shop, a customization shop. That's a school over there. That's a coffee shop. That's a special food. I don't know what that is. What don't you say? Guys, let me show you how my car starts, okay? Because my car starts wild. My car just absolutely starts wild. 8:19, okay. My car starts wild. Watch this. Ready? Ready, guys? Ready? Hold on. A little bit. Doesn't that sound really good? I'm gonna turn the volume up because I don't want to wake my baby sister up. But as I said, guys, the GoPro is at the worst time. It's gonna exit me out of the game. What? It's only going left click. What the? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end off this video here because I don't know what the heck is happening here. That's for Fortnite. That's my business. That's also my business. And because my mother also uses computer, so excuse her. So we're just gonna end the video with the rev. I mean, they should have also rev in this game, in my opinion. Because then, what's the point of your supercars starting up and being absolute beasts if it can't even rev? Okay, first start. This is a cold start or probably hot start. Because hold on, let me respawn the car for a cold start. Because they actually have cold start sounds and they have hot start sounds. Now, I don't want to warm the car up. I just want to park it for a cold start. Hey guys, this is a cold start on the 2016 Ferrari 488. Ready, guys? Ready. Oh, I got stuck in first gear. That's the thing they need to fix. Sometimes I get stuck in first gear, fourth gear. They really, because they're not going fast enough, they're not shifting. Well, that's why they need to add manual, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. And I got one thing to say to you guys. Never be a bully to anyone. Bye, guys. Peace out. Oh crap, guys! I think I just forgot to add the intro. I'm gonna do an outro, but the intro that I created didn't save, so I'm just gonna do the outro in 3, 2. Restart intro. I just want to restart because my intro is so cool. Sorry, I skipped to the end because I will have a few minutes left. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. Peace.